Hey guys! Привет, ребята! And welcome to Russian with Lana. In this video, we're going to have a look at 12 essential Russian phrases. Now, let's get started. For hello in Russian, we say привет. Привет. That's the informal version. That's the version we would use with someone we know well, like with our friends, family members, or peers. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте, on the contrary, is a formal version, and we would use it with someone who is older or with someone we don't really know. Nice to meet you. Here there is only one version. Приятно познакомиться. Приятно познакомиться. You would use it with pretty much everyone. Yes. Да. Да. Very easy. Да. No. Нет. Нет. For place in Russian we say пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. You're welcome. Не за что. Не за что. Не за что is the basic you're welcome. You would use it in pretty much any situation when you give something to somebody and you would like to say you're welcome. The other version that we have is на здоровье. На здоровье. We use it when we give food or drinks to somebody, and it's basically translated as for health. Thank you. Спасибо. Спасибо. Or you can also say благодарю. Благодарю. If you would like to say that you did something gladly and you are delighted to have done it, you can say с удовольствием. С удовольствием. Sorry. There are two ways of saying sorry in Russian, and there are also two versions, the formal one and the informal one. So the first version is извини. Извини. That's the informal version, and извините, извините is the formal one. The second way of saying sorry in Russian is прости. Прости. That's the informal version, and простите, простите is the formal one. Here, like with other words, we use formal version with people we don't know and the informal one with our friends. Help. Помогите. Помогите. Or you can say на помощь. На помощь. I love you. Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю. That's the informal version. And я вас люблю. Я вас люблю is the formal one. And goodbye. Goodbye in Russian is до свидания. До свидания. That's the formal version, and the informal one is пока. Once again, пока. So that's it, guys. These were essential 12 phrases in Russian. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.